Good afternoon, everybody, or good morning, good evening, any time of the day you are seeing this video. My name is Emmanuel, and I quickly want to show you how I stumble on something real quick that will be beneficial to you. How you can download Twitter Space. First thing I did, I go on YouTube and search how to download Twitter Space. To my surprise, the last video I'm seeing is a year plus, 8 months plus, and most of them are not useful again. So yeah, I'll be showing two websites that is very useful for me. And one thing again is that when you have Twitter Space on your phone downloaded, it will save you from the stress of using data to stream it back. Maybe you want to listen to the recorded version when you open any space on Twitter. So very quickly, I will be showing you the first website, then I'll be going over to the second website. So the first website is, let me type it out, Flowjin, F-L-O as in flow, then J-I-N.com. Sorry, .com, Flowjin. So basically this is where you jump on, but okay, sorry, you are not creating an account yet. I just want to show you something. So once you are on this website, you click on these three dots. You see where I click on here, this place, this three line. You click on it, then you go to tools, then you click on Twitter Space Archiver. Then here is where you drop the link to the space. So I have a space that I've already copied. Just copy any Twitter Space link that you want to download, then you click on get it free. Okay, this is the space. Then click on continue. So now you can now sign in or sign up with your email address. So you can decide to sign in with any of the email address, but I already have this email there, so let me just still use this email address. That's my email, the email I'm using. Then once you sign in with an email, you click on continue. Then you see that the space import has begun. So you cancel this X icon here, you can see it here. Just click on cancel, click on cancel, click on cancel. That's like 3 times. Then this thing. So all you do is, I already downloaded this on my device, so you just click on this arrow down button and download. So wait for it to load up. So because I already have it on my phone, that's why it's asking me do I want to download, but for you it will automatically download on your mobile. I hope this helped. Thank you. In continuation of my previous video, all you need to do for the second website is Twitter Space GPT.com. So once you are here, what's happening? Okay, I write the wrong address. It's Twitter, not. You can see that Twitter Space GPT. So this is it. You click on these 3 lines there, then you click on okay, already sign in. So let me just sign out for the sake of people. So you click on sign in or sign in instead of login. So let me just go back. Why is it not coming up with the right format? So you can just sign into your account. Okay, this is sign in with Google. You can sign in with Google to just save the stress of filling all the details. So I already have an email address that I dedicated to all this unnecessary sign up online. So you input the email. So this is the email address. Then for this, you can just go over to Twitter. So this is what I want to download, the KDP Crusade Day 1. So this Day 1, it must have been writing recording. The space you want to download must have recording. So once it's on recording, click on it. Then click on this share icon, then copy the exact link to the space, not the link of the post, the link of that space originally. Then you go back, then you paste the link here. Although this one might be saying not a valid Twitter, so don't mind, just click on download. It's already downloading. So you see that the document is being sent to your email box, so you have to wait patiently. So one of the disadvantages of this is it will give you time before you download, but the first one I show you, it's definitely going to send it to you immediately. So I'll pause this video as soon as the email drop for me to download it. So I'll continue so that I can show you that they sent me a mail, then immediately it enters. I was able to download this space. I hope these videos help. One favor, just like, comment. I'll be in the comment section to answer your question, comment, and also share it to people that might need it. This will save you data, and this also will save you to have all your spaces downloaded on your mobile devices. Thank you. Okay, so this is my email address. I already tested them out in the morning. That's why you see 2 email now. So this is the second one that they just sent out 14 minutes. That's like 2 minutes ago. So you see, I just click on download, and automatically it will start downloading. So the video will play on your phone in recorded version. So once it's downloaded on my device, you can always listen to it and save it up. So thank you once again. Can you see it? KDP Crusade Day 1 in MP3. So thank you. I don't want this video to be longer than this, so do have a nice day. Share it, click the like button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.